Did you know that in the 2018 Jeep Wrangler there are 2 batteries? I only see 1. Let's find out where the other one's at. Welcome back. My name is Brandon Haneline, your Jeep informant, and if this is your first time here and you want to be smarter after this video than you currently are, make sure you keep watching and don't forget to subscribe with the bell. Alright, so before we get started, I'd be interested to know how many of you actually knew that the 2018 Jeep Wrangler had 2 batteries. So let me know up here in the top right corner, cast your vote if you did or didn't know. Guys, the information that I'm going to be bringing you today is in all seriousness. This could be a hazard and a safety issue for anyone that is working on the 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL body. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, as you can see, the negative battery cable is disconnected with the voltmeter negative lead attached to that. Also, the positive battery terminal is disconnected also. So let's see if there's any voltage on these 2 wires with it disconnected from the battery. Look at that, 12.2 volts. Alright, this is where our problem lies. Most people don't realize when they disconnect that battery, there's still live voltage on it. So if you're working on an airbag, or you're working on the electrical system where the battery needs to be disconnected, like the alternator or starter, you could short something out very, very easily. So if you're like me, you want to know where the heck is this voltage coming from? I only see 1 battery. I gotta figure this out. I'm thinking it's right under this little area right here because I have searched this whole vehicle over and can't find anything. I did trace the wires back and they kind of go up underneath that area, so this is why I'm taking this off. Well, it's not as easy as just 2 bolts, so it looks like we gotta take several screws off here to get this PDC out of the way. Then we gotta take several more bolts off to get the PDC tray out of the way. Then there's another cover here that, you know, geez Louise, man, there's nobody going to steal this battery if it's down here anyway. So it looks like there's 2 more bolts there. Let's take those 2 out. For the reveal of the battery. Dun, da, da, da. There you are, little guy. I've been looking for you. All right, now that we know where it's at, what is it for, and how can we disconnect it some easier way than this? So what is this auxiliary battery for? It's for the auto stop start. Yes, that's right. When you're in a stop start event, all the accessories on the interior of the vehicle is run off of this small battery. Now the engine and the starter use the large battery, but the alternator does monitor both and charge both. There's got to be a better way to disable both batteries if you need to work on the vehicle. So let me show you which cables to disconnect. If you look closely, there's one dedicated negative battery terminal, and that one goes to the auxiliary battery. So if you remove that, then you're only disabling the auxiliary battery. Now, once you have that one removed, you're going to need to remove the other negative battery terminal to disable both batteries. Now, if you wanted to remove the positive terminal from the auxiliary battery, that's that one there. Guys, the purpose of this video is to keep you safe. I guarantee you so many people do not know that when you disconnect the positive and negative battery terminals only from the large battery, that the cables are still live and they have voltage on them. So share this with everyone you know on social media, wherever, whoever's got a Jeep Wrangler, share this video and let them know about it, okay? So I hope you have learned something today. I hope you're smarter now than you were before when you started, and I hope you have a great day. You take care, guys, and we'll see you next time.